Hi there, so I'm often asked what art supplies I use, so in this video I'm going to show you what art supplies I got on my last order. If you're new to my channel, I'm Darkis and I'm an artist. I do paint time lapses, art supply reviews, and show you my journey. Recently I welcomed my son Jackson, and now I'm trying to juggle mommyhood and creating artwork. Now, some of them I have used and some of them I haven't used, so let's get started. The first item that I bought was the Lukas Acrylic Colours. Now, I bought this because they were really cheap at the store, and I have used the Lukas brand before for oil colors, and I really love it. So when I saw that this one was in for a discount, I just went ahead and bought it. So this one brings 12 colors, and they are white, primary yellow, cadmium yellow light, cadmium red deep, primary red, primary blue, ultramarine, viridian, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, umber, and ivory black. So I really can't wait to try this out and use them up to see how. So I'll let you know. I'll probably do a separate review on this. So the next item is the Jerry's World's Greatest Gesso, and I got this one after I went to the store. They didn't have it, so I went ahead and ordered it online. I talked to the guy that worked there, who is also an artist, and he recommended to use this one. I need it because I need to do a canvas with this, so I'll probably do a video on that one too, just because I haven't done it, and I want to try it out, and I'll let you know what I think of this. I usually buy all of my canvases prepared, but for this particular one it was custom made, so that's why I have to use that. The next thing is the Jerry's Castaway palette. Now, I have used this one before and I really like it. It's really easy for cleanup when I don't have time, so I just go ahead and use this. It just makes cleanup really easy. And this one is a 9 by 12. I have used both the small one and the big one, and I really like them. I use the smaller one for traveling. Now this one I have never used before. I have used Archer's, the expensive one, but I thought I'd give it a try to see if there were other cheaper options, so that I don't feel so bad just trying out new things. And so I'll probably do a couple of paintings on this, watercolor paintings, and I'll probably do time lapses on that or videos, and I'll let you know also what I think of it. The next thing I bought was the Centurion Deluxe Oil Prime Linen. These are panels, and I'm gonna be doing a couple of more like smaller paintings, and so I thought I'd give this a try to see, because the canvases that come stretched, they take up a lot of room. So I thought that I would start small to try out the panels to see how I like them. So next up is the Paramount Premium Quality Artist Canvas. I've never used this kind of canvas before. I always have used a stretch canvas. Whenever I have used this has been when I'm in art class, and I just like get a sheet or something just to do quick or sketches or studies of very simple things like circles and stuff. I've never really used it for creating detail highly detailed artwork. So I'll let you know how this one goes too. I'll probably do a blog post or something on this. This one is the same as the other one, but this one is much bigger. This is a 11 by 14, 50 sheets of cold press, and it's Fabriano. So after I test out the small ones, I guess I'll start playing around with this one to see what kind of artwork I can create with this. And sorry for the background, I just had a baby, so I have him here in the studio, and also I have my dog, so if you hear a bell jingling, that's my small dog. Okay, so the next thing is refined linseed oil. This one I use a lot. After doing a lot of research, I have found that I always go back to linseed oil as my medium of choice. I have also tried the gel, which I didn't buy it for this one because I still have, but I ran out of linseed oil. So I use this a lot. I really like it. I know there's a bunch of different types of oils. I haven't really tried them out because I figured that I will try this one out to see for a longer period of time to see if I really like it, and then actually compare it against other ones. So I do recommend this one. I find it that it's very easy to use. You just mix it with your oil paint, and all you need is like a drop or so, and it lasts a long time too. So the next thing is more canvas panels, painting panels, and this one is this ones I bought them, they're toned. I guess I'll open them up. This is the same as the other one, it's just the bigger version of it. This is the one that I use when I'm in my studio. So the next thing is the Gamsol, and this one I use for cleaning out the brushes. I use this one a lot for, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Okay, I use this one a lot for cleaning my brushes. And next is the Winsor & Newton brush cleaner and restorer. Now this one was recommended to me by my art instructor, so I figured I'd give it a try. Next is the Gamvar Gloss Picture Varnish by Gamblin. Now I bought this one because I needed for my paint to varnish my paint, but I also needed it to dry. So this allows it to dry while still being protected with the varnish. So that's it, you guys. That was a quick rundown of my last purchase. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Here's a quick look at my studio. And there's my baby sleeping. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.